Hello and welcome to White Noise 2. Now this is a game that I've played on Xbox, but that was White Noise 1, and I played it on Xbox 360 with all of my friends. And I was searching through Steam, and I found that there's actually a sequel called White Noise 2. It was only 10 bucks, so I was just like, why not? So let's get into it. All right, so let's play. Quick play, find games. And from what I've seen, this is like a mass multiplayer game. Like you can find games with anybody and just play with random people. I don't know if there's like a audio choice with it, but I'm gonna just do quick play, just to see, test it out. Whew. I could be a creature. That is dope. If y'all seen White Noise 1, you see that the creature looks way different than this. He was much more massive and muscular. This guy, see his abs? Like, what is that? Kind of looks like he took rope and just like wrapped around his waist, something like that. But just for the purpose of this is my first time playing it, I'm gonna be an investigator. Oh, so I don't play by myself. I play with actual people. Oh, this is gonna be dope. All right, so I get to choose. Let's see. You know, I like my people who have speed. I'm gonna pick this guy because he seems like he knows what he's doing. Okay, I'm not sexist or anything. Please don't pin that on me.
Without difficulties, there's no adventure or journalism.
There's so many options. This is dope. Play. Custom game. Maybe if I do custom. Private. Classic. Co-op. Classic. AI difficulty. Let's go with easy. Creating lobby. Sweet. Alright, so I just guess I gotta sit here and wait for people. Man, I thought this could be like a solo game. But apparently not. I gotta wait for people. Okay. Solo play was a mode already, but I was just too busy being a dummy. Quick play custom game. Oh, woe is me. We're gonna go to a random location. Of course, we gotta be this.
Without difficulties, there's no adventure.
Without difficulties, this is fun. There's more beasts. Oh, let's do a random. Alright, here you go, guys. My first attempt playing White Noise 2. Norwood Prairie. Now, this guy, he looks a bit frightened. Find the clues, avoid the creature. Oh, that's about easy enough. Nice brain. So, shift to sprint. R helps you find the nearest clue. Now that's cool. Alright, I feel like something's gonna pop out at me at any given. What's that? Is that a clue? No. So apparently, he follows you from behind. So I think I gotta run away, right? Oh! What is that? No. Okay. Oh, I hate scary games. If anything, scary games are like my least favorite kind of game to play. The creature will have a hard time finding. I heard something though. Is it around here? Oh, I hear it. What is it? Is it this thing? What's that? A tape can be heard nearby. What? Am I like right by it? Alright, this isn't cool. I've grown silent because I'm trying to... What does it look like? I swear, I'm like right on top of it. You know what? You know what? I'm not even gonna get it. I don't even care anymore. I'm so frightened. What was that? Okay, that was just a fence. I thought that was something else. So I'm gonna follow this light post and this freaking trail because... What was that? Guys. Don't tell me that was nothing. I'm frightened. Oh, I hear one. Okay. So, oh, this is just speaking death. The tape can be heard nearby. What? What? I'm on top of it. What is this? Oh, they have blue outlines. Hey, I picked up a tape. Dope. Okay. I heard that in my right ear. Right in my ear. Okay. Okay, so I have limited flashlight battery, and that's the same. Oh, a flippin' cat! Ah! Oh! Oh! I thought that was it. I am terrified. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's follow this trail. Because in the first game, let's turn off our flashlight. Shut up. I hear it. I'm back at this place again. Okay, so according to the game, I am right on top of this next one. Oh, what was that? Oh, 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 I brought it. Oh, 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 oh. What? Why is the music still playing? Am I in danger? Am I in danger? Am I finna die? Am I finna die? Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. I'm on the corner of the map. Where are we going? Oh my gosh, is he behind me? That was terrible. Wait, what health pack? Awesome. I don't know what that'll do for me, but I think that'll be good for me, if that makes any sense, because I don't want to make sense right now, because I don't really know how to speak English right now, because I am terrified. Okay, so I just gotta make sure. The game said in the beginning to always look behind you to make sure that he isn't following you, and I hear another tape. Hello. Aha. Aha. Ooh. It makes the most terrifying noise when you're like about to pick it up. That's insane. My goodness. Okay. So I don't think I'm gonna get through the game entirely in this run because I really didn't expect to. Okay, I'm gonna just keep pressing R. I think I have a limited time that I can press R. You can throw. See behind me? What? I think he's following me. Maybe if I turn off my flashlight. But you will move slower. Okay, okay. That terrified me. I ran into something. Wait, what? What? Is he there? Okay. I feel like I'm just going in a big circle and not really making... Hold on. Aha. I hear something. I'm right on top of it. Aha. Aha. Your boy found 3 out of 8 saves. What is good, YouTube? What is good? Okay. So he's not behind me because I only have one way to go out. Okay, my flashlight seems to be running on a really low battery. I don't know. Oh, so that's what those buttons mean. Oh, hold on. Hold on, shut up. Aha. Alright, 4 out of 8. Yo, I'm halfway there. This... Okay. Oh, he's not following me. Okay, but my flashlight is running out of battery like heck. I feel like I'm just not going through the game fast enough. Is that it? Aha. I freaking love that thing. That is like... Okay. What? Alright. Going dark. Aha. I hear you. I hear you. Come on, come to me. I walked away from it. Did I walk away from it? Dude. Okay, I'm right around it. Aha. Yes. Yes. Dude, I only have 3 left to go, and then I'll have completed the game, but on easy mode though, so that's not a feat that I can really brag about. But I feel like I'm gonna get jump scared. What? What? Where are you? Okay, I need to look right in front of me, okay? I can't just be walking into him. Like, that was a... What? Is that bad? Is that bad? Do I not go towards it? You know what? You know what? Come at me. Come at me. What's the jump scare like? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You can run with that. Okay, okay. Is he still there? You know, this is a horrible run, but that was dope. Guys, you guys should definitely try this game. Obviously with friends, and definitely not co-opt with me because I am horrible. Alright. I'm gonna stand here. No flashlight. Come on. Come get me. Come on. Oh, I could pick up batteries. That's another bad thing. That's another bad thing. listen. Wow. I'm not dead. What is
I'm right here!
Oh, T. T. That was terrifying. Okay. I heard that. Pretty wet, huh? Pretty wet. So that... Gosh, I keep running into objects. So that jump scare actually was not as bad as I thought it would be previously. I thought that it was going to be a lot worse than that. No offense to the game makers, but I thought that it would be more terrifying. But then again, it does emanate from the first game, which I played with a few friends. And I've got to say, it does bring back memories of me pointing. Oh! Oh my, I don't remember this being a part of it. Oh my god! Are you kidding me? That was terrifying. Oh, he was right on my booty. He is right on me. Like, if you haven't killed me by now, then obviously they should have hired someone else to get me. Because I'm going to be frank with you, monster. You're not doing a very good job at doing your one and only job. Yeah, throw down that glow stick. So, I actually, when I played the first game, I actually had a good sense of map awareness, if you could call it. Of just knowing where I am and knowing the places where I have and I haven't explored, but you know, that game was like years ago, so I actually have no idea where I am right now. So, and I feel like the creature is about to disable my flashlight at any given moment right now, so if I start screaming, then I am so sorry, guys, because I'm... He's right next to me, isn't he? He's right next to me, isn't he? I can't. Can I not go this way? Can I not go this way? I hear you, but I don't see you. You're not very good at this. I got to say, the music though, it's giving me a lot of emotions and effects right now that I'd rather not feel. I haven't. Oh. 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 Don't get me where am I going? I can't even see. I can't even see. I can't even see. I literally. Just, get out of here. Get out of here, sir. Get out of here. You can't even touch me. You can't even touch me. The thing's behind me. I need to go back the way that I was just at. Wait, where am I? Oh. Okay, I need to go around. Obviously, I need to go around. Okay. No, no. Freaking what? Freaking what? Oh. Oh, I'm like close to him. Stop. What? Huh? You're not even behind me. You're not even behind me, fool. Okay, so I did the ping, alright? I did the ping. Is that him? No, that's not him. What the frick is this? That's cool though. Hmm? Wait, I think I know where I am. I'm like trapped. I don't even know where I am. Okay. So obvious. Did you guys see that? He just popped up out of nowhere. So obviously, yeah. I'm not gonna get through the whole game. Sorry guys, I really wanted to. Or I didn't really want to, but I was getting there. But it just seems like I don't know. So that was White Noise 2. The graphics are great. Um, I just wish that I had better software so that I can run the game more smoothly, and of course in the future I will. Because I'm playing on a Mac, so Mac. Alright, so thank you for watching, and if you would like more gameplay content, just let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more, because I will be uploading more and more as time does go on. So thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all around. Peace.